that summertime vibes. So right now I have some honey and I'm just gonna go around. I'm gonna go around the rim of this martini glass, and then we're gonna sugar it. We're gonna do the rim with some sugar, coat the rim with some white sugar. And then we have some ice, and this is gonna go really quick. It's real easy. So we have our vodka, and you can do your whatever your vodka of choice is. We're gonna do 2 ounces of vodka in here. You can do as much vodka as you would like. We have Calypso peach lemonade. So I'm gonna use this for the peach flavor. So I'm gonna put some of that in there. We have some triple sec liquor. Open it. So it's gonna give you some more of those bitters. And don't worry, I'll have the actual measurements in this recipe, so you can get the actual measurements. And we have some fresh lemon. Simple syrup, which simple syrup you can make yourself. It's just sugar and water mixed together. You melt it out. I don't know why people buy it. You don't necessarily need to buy it. That's gonna sweeten it up. And then we're gonna just shake what your mama gave you. Shake it all together. So let's get ready to drink. I'm a Mrs. Peach. Mrs. Peach. Let's go ahead and drink this peach lemon drop. Okay, it's good. I know I be saying everything's good, but it be good, y'all. It be good. It's refreshing because it's cool. It's real cold because of the ice and everything. And then we had that peach Calypso juice that we put in it with the vodka and everything else we put in there. So you getting that peachy, and then we put the fresh lemon, so it's kind of like sweet, sour a little bit, but then we got the sugar on the rim. It's like a real refreshing peachy drink. So if you like peach and then you like lemon drops, and then you got the sugar on the rim, and then you got your little fresh peach that you can even eat on that. And the peach is sweet. Sexy drink, good drink. Ladies or gentlemen, go ahead and make you this sexy and sweet peach lemon drop. To get this recipe and more, go to divinecuisine.com. Love y'all. I'm getting ready to go on the deck and drink.